Hello again. My name is Kylan Hallett, part of the Indian Education Department. I'm the Academic Achievement Facilitator over at CMR, and today we are going to be doing the Travois that is in your little package. So in your bag, you're going to find one pipe cleaner and one piece of fabric. Those will be in your bag. Then at home, you're either going to need tape or some form of glue, or even a piece of string if you want, that's up to you, to put everything together. So the Travois comes into the story after the man in the red suit has not necessarily crash landed, but maybe a hard landing. And the tribe gives him a Travois to carry his packages on so that he can deliver them while they kind of help rescue his reindeer. And fast forward, well, not fast forwarding, but backtracking to the cultural significance of a travois. The travois were first created to be carried by people, and then eventually by dogs, and then eventually they became carried by horses. The poles themselves are made out of lodge pine poles, but more commonly chokecherry wood, because that was a harder wood than the lodge pole pines, and it would last longer. The basket that you see here at the bottom was either made out of rawhide or willow or a combination of the two, and the travois were the way that everyone moved their stuff from one camp to the next. So pretty much, technically speaking, your whole house was on it. And then, and fun fact, on the Lewis and Clark Pass, if you hike up onto its scenic trails, I believe, you can still see travois marks in the landscape, and you can actually follow them. So a lot of really cool stuff, and travois have always been important. Alrighty, so here we're gonna make this travois ornament, and you're gonna take your one pipe cleaner, and you're just gonna fold it right in half. Just try to get those ends as close together as you can. Just kind of just squish it a little bit like that, but make sure you give yourself a little bit of space at the top, because that's where the hook's going to go through, so you can hang it on your tree. Now pinch it here and just give it a twist, just a couple times, just make sure it's nice and twisted in there. And there you go, you got your base there. Now you can either take tape or glue, but for this one I'm going to use tape really quickly and roll with that. So you got your piece of fabric here, and you can line it up on your poles, technically speaking here. Kind of line those lines here. Jeez, let me get that right there. And I'm going to end up taking that tape and I'm going to put it right over the top right here so that it's connected to the fabric. Give me a second. Okay, one more piece here. Alrighty. So it's not perfect, obviously, we're not perfect, and it's okay. You do the best you can and put it however it gets on there for you. But there you go, that's what it looks like. And then the last bit is you take the hook that's going to be inside your package as well, just slide it on there, and boom, you got your travois ornament all done. Quick and easy, a lot of fun. After the holidays are over, you can put this on your toy horses and dinosaurs and carry stuff around the house, so you'll have something else that lasts for a while. Thank you for coming along with me and putting together the travois ornament. And when you hang this on the tree, it is going to help you keep track of the story that you're going to be able to hear, and you'll be able to tell your family, your friends of the same story, and this will help you kind of keep track of it, similar to a winter count, or maybe even the teepee poles, and every notch that the teepee poles have a story represented. So that's what you'll be able to use that with. Please post your creations to Facebook and check in on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel because we have other videos of the other ornaments and the story itself. And have a happy holiday, be safe, be kind, and take care of yourselves. Thank you.